Welcome to the top best. The best work aprons is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any shop. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a weekend warrior, a good apron protects your clothes and keeps your tools within easy reach. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of work aprons, exploring the best options available and helping you find the perfect one to suit your needs. Number 5. Woolwell Chef Apron, durable and lightweight. This Woolwell apron is your ultimate shield against kitchen messes. The Teflon-coated polyester material makes sure it is resistant to water, oil, and stains. Cook like a pro with this large 33 by 27 apron. It features an adjustable neck strap, 38-inch waist ties, and 2 large front pockets for your convenience. This apron has dual front pockets to make cooking easier. You can store all your essentials, from utensils to your phone, right at your fingertips. Crafted from high-quality Teflon-coated polyester fabric, this apron is built to last. It's soft to the touch and a dream to wear, making it a kitchen essential. Keep your apron crisp and clean with ease. It's machine washable, wrinkle-resistant, and won't shrink. Just wash with dark colors and avoid bleach. What we like. This apron is your ultimate shield against kitchen messes, thanks to its water, oil, and stain-resistant design. It's also durable and lightweight, ensuring comfort during long cooking sessions. If you're a chef or a home cook who wants to keep clean and organized, you should consider this one. What people say. The apron is made of heavy-duty material. The pockets are well placed and spacious. It has adjustable straps for a comfortable fit. Number 4. Waxed Canvas Woodworking Apron for Men. This heavy-duty apron is made from 20 ounces waxed canvas with double stitching, making it sturdy and durable. It's designed to provide both protection and comfort while you work. Featuring 9 functional storage pockets of various sizes, including chest pockets for pens and phones, and a hanging loop for a hammer. This apron is specifically designed for woodworkers and other professionals. It includes a handy magnetic patch for holding bits, nails, and screws. The flaps over the tool pockets keep sawdust out. The removable padded shoulder straps help distribute weight, preventing neck strain. The waistband has a snap-fit design for quick and easy wear. This full-coverage workshop apron measures 27.3 inches wide and 33 inches high. Adjustable X-back straps ensure a comfortable fit. This carpenter's apron comes with a gift box and user instructions, making it a great present for anyone involved in carpentry, gardening, or similar trades. It's an ideal gift choice for men and fathers. What we like. This apron is built tough with heavy-duty waxed canvas and double stitching. It offers functional storage with 9 tool pockets and a handy magnetic patch. If you're a woodworker or a carpenter looking for a durable and practical apron, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The apron has a lot of pockets, which is great for holding tools and other items. The apron is made of durable material that can withstand heavy use. The apron provides good coverage and protects clothing from spills and messes. Number 3. RUVANTI Work Apron, Oil and Water Repellent, Crossback. This apron is designed for both men and women. It's perfect for anyone who needs protection from spills and messes while working. The RUVANTI apron is made with a special fabric that repels both oil and water. This helps to keep your clothes clean and dry, even in tough conditions. The apron is made from a durable polycotton blend. This material is comfortable to wear and easy to care for, ensuring it lasts a long time. The crossback design provides a comfortable and secure fit. It distributes the weight evenly, preventing strain on your neck and shoulders. The apron is adjustable to fit a wide range of sizes, up to XXL. It's designed to provide a comfortable and secure fit for everyone. It also features multiple pockets for storing tools and other essentials. This makes it easy to keep everything you need within reach. What we like. This apron keeps you clean and comfortable with its oil and water repellent design. The polycotton material ensures breathability, and the adjustable fit caters to various body types. If you're working in a shop environment where spills are common, this apron is a great option. What people say. The apron has multiple pockets that are very useful for holding tools and other items. The apron is made of durable material that can withstand heavy use. The apron provides good coverage and protects clothing from spills and messes. Number 2. Bucket Boss Adjustable Tool Bag. Introducing the Bucket Boss Adjustable Tool Bag. This bag is designed for the working man, offering convenience and durability. Made with heavy-duty canvas, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions. You can rely on it to last. It features multiple pockets for organized storage. This allows you to keep your tools within easy reach. The padded, adjustable shoulder straps ensure comfortable carrying. It's designed to fit you perfectly. An adjustable belt with a quick-release buckle provides a secure fit. It fits up to a 52-inch waist. What we like. This tool bag is made with heavy-duty canvas construction. It features padded, adjustable shoulder straps for comfort, and multiple pockets for organization. If you need a convenient way to carry your tools around the shop, this is the one for you. What people say. The apron has a lot of pockets, which is great for holding tools. The apron is made of a durable material that can withstand heavy use. The apron provides good coverage and protects clothing from spills and messes. Number 1. Dickies 16-Pocket Workshop Bib Apron. This apron from Dickies is designed for the toughest jobs. It's built to last, providing the durability you need to get the work done. With 16 pockets, this apron offers plenty of space to keep your tools organized and within reach. It helps you stay efficient and focused on the task at hand. Made with high-quality materials, this apron can withstand the wear and tear of a busy workshop. It's a reliable companion for any project. The design ensures a comfortable fit, even during long hours of work. It allows you to move freely while keeping your essentials close. Trust in the quality that Dickies is known for. This apron is a testament to their commitment to providing durable and functional workwear. What we like. This apron offers ample storage with its 16-pocket design, perfect for a workshop environment. The bib style provides full coverage and protection. If you need to keep your tools and supplies close at hand while working, you should consider this apron. What people say. It has always remained the best possible quality for my life money. There are a ton of pockets, and loops on each side for hammers or whatever. The chest has a perfect spot for a little notepad, and then 3 pens pencil sharp is. Pockets are well designed, I can get to items as needed and they don't pop out when I move around, bend over etc. Good length and wrap for me, but might not work as well on very tall, long torso or heavier person. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.